Me and my friend Ankles, you know, he was talking about that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, my friend Ankles. And Ankles,
Wait a minute, did you say your friend's name is Ankles?
Yeah, his name is Ankles. He got an ankle problem, man. He be wearing these pants with his boots. They're too tight.
Yo, it's me, Ankles, yo. They call me Ankles because the pants, yo, it's around my ankles. I got some problem with my boo. Yo. Damn, yo.
See how long it is. See.